Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Sinha and welcome to my channel Rishabh_7575. Today we are again back with a new and interesting topic, that is data analysis in Microsoft Excel. So as you already know, we have done some videos and series on data analysis in Python and in Power BI, and today we are going to start a new series, that is data analysis in Microsoft Excel. Many of you were already saying me from a very long time that why not starting with Microsoft Excel. So we have started our Microsoft Excel data analysis series also and dashboarding series also. So the first data set that we are taking is the Paisabazaar banking fraud analysis data set, the same data set that we used for data analysis in Python project and for the data analysis in Power BI project. We are doing the same series, we are using the same data set for our Python project also, Power BI project also, and MS Excel project also, so that you can learn easily all the three platforms or all the three softwares, and also get an understanding of what is the difference between data analysis in Python, data analysis in Power BI, and data analysis in Microsoft Excel. So with this, we are starting our today's topic, that is Paisabazaar banking fraud analysis in Microsoft Excel. I hope you like the video. So with this, we start our video. Let's go. Let's start our project. So first, opening Excel, maximize it, and take a new workbook. Got it. After that, go to home, not home, data. Go to data and click get data. From this, you will get from file, and from file you will get text oblique CSV, because our file is in a text oblique CSV file. We have a CSV file. After that, import the data set and open it. It will take some time to load. Let it load. After that, you will see two options, load and transform data. First, we want to transform data, so we will click in transform data, and it will open the Power Query Editor in the Excel. Now let's check first the data types are correct or not. You can see 1, 2, 3 data type, correct. Data types, I think all are correct because I have already taken a look at the data set. But still, again, we will take a look at the data set. Credit utilization ratio, credit history, payment. Okay, so the data types are all correct, but we have to make more columns that will help us in our further data analysis. So the first column that we will make is, go to add column. You can see up here, you can see add column. So the first column that we want to make is credit score in numeric way, in a numeric manner. Okay, so go to conditional columns. In conditional columns, give the name credit underscore score underscore numeric. This is credit score in numeric. Here we will select credit score. Our credit score is at the last. We will click OK. Credit score. If credit score equals to good, GOOD, we have, you can see we have sections like good, standard, poor, and like that. Likewise, if it is good, then we will give it 3. Okay. After that, we will add a clause. If our credit score, again, our credit score is at the last, equals fair, then we will give it 2, and else If it is not good or fair, that means it is poor. In that case we will give 1 and we will click OK. And you can see we have got a new column where we have 1 3. There is oh sorry, we don't have a standard fair, we have standard, good, poor and standard. So we will have to edit this. Just remove this column and again make it. If credit underscore score underscore numeric, credit score is at the last. If credit score equals good, we will give it 3. If credit score equals standard, we will give it 2, and else we will give it 1 and we will click OK. We have got, and now you can see we have got 1 2 3 all the values. Okay, so our first column has been made. The next we will make is a, let's see, credit utilization ratio. Okay, we can make a credit utilization category. Again go to conditional column, give the name credit utilization category. Select where is credit utilization ratio. If credit utilization ratio is less than or equal to, is less than or equal to 30, then we will give it value low. If credit utilization ratio is less than or equal to 70, we will give it a value medium, and else we will give it high and we will click OK. And we have got the credit utilization category also. The next we will make is EMI burden ratio. EMI burden ratio. Okay, go to again go to conditional columns. No, not conditional columns. This time go to custom columns. Okay, here we will write EMI underscore burden underscore ratio. Here we will take a bracket. We will take total EMI per month. We will click total EMI per month and insert it here. Remove the first bracket and we will divide it by monthly in hand salary. Where is the monthly in hand salary? Monthly in hand salary. Again we will insert it here. So the EMI burden ratio is the total EMI per month divided by the monthly in hand salary. How much EMI you are paying per month divided by the in hand salary you are getting per month. Okay, and we will click OK. And we have got the EMI burden ratio. Now we will make some rule based fraud flags. Okay, so the first fraud flag we will make is high utilization. If the credit utilization ratio is very high, then we will count it as a burden. Take conditional column, name it high credit utilization. If credit utilization ratio is greater than 80, then we will take it as 1. That means we will count it as high burden, high credit utilization. Fraud, that we will count it as a fraud, otherwise 0. That means not a fraud. That means indicator of fraud. Okay, so here you have got mm, wait a second. Credit utilization ratio, where did the credit utilization ratio go? Okay, next is many delayed payments. If the delayed payments, number of delayed payments are greater than or equal to 3, then we will count it as a fraud, otherwise we will not count it as a fraud. Again, take a conditional column. In the conditional column, take many delayed payments. Here we will take number of delayed payments. Number of delayed payments, if it is greater than or equal to 3, then we will take it as 1. That means it is a fraud. Else we will take it as 0. That means it is not a fraud. And we will click OK. And you can see we have got 1 or 0, where many places where there is an indication of fraud also. You can see zeros also. That means not an indication of fraud. That is safe. Likewise. Okay. Next fraud flag that we will make is many loans. If you are taking if a person is taking many loans, that is also an indicator of fraud sometimes. So we will classify that also as fraud. If someone is taking 4 or more than 4 loans, then it is an indicator of fraud. So we will write many loans. If number of loans, we will take number of loans. Number of loans is greater than or equal to 4, then we will type 1. That means we will count it as a possible fraud. And otherwise, if it is less than 4, then we will count it as safe. And we have got this column also. Next is high EMI burden. If the EMI burden is very high, that means also it is denoting certain fraud or something. That means a normal person will not take too much EMI burden on himself. Only a fraud person will take. Again, take conditional column, high EMI burden. If EMI burden ratio, where is EMI burden ratio? EMI burden ratio is greater than 0.5, then we will take it as fraud 1. Otherwise, we will take it as 0, not a fraud, and click OK. So in all the cases, we can see there is no fraud, but still we have to classify it. One more indicator of fraud is low credit score. Again, conditional columns, low underscore credit underscore score, low credit score. If credit score, where is credit? If credit score equals poor, then 1, that means it is a indicator of fraud, otherwise 0. And we have got the low credit score also. So we have made all the fraud flags rule based. Now we will make a final fraud flag. So as I said, now we will make a final fraud flag by aggregating all these high credit utilization ratios, many delayed payments, many loans, high EMI burden, low credit score. Aggregating all this, we will make a final fraud flag. So again, go to custom column. Here we will write final fraud flag. In this we will write if. Please write the code just as I am writing small if, open a bracket, high utilization, high credit utilization, we will take it inside. After that, plus many delayed payments, we will take it inside. Plus many loans, we will take it inside. Plus high EMI burden, we will take it inside. Plus low credit score, we will take it inside. We will close the bracket. If it is greater than or equal to 2, then 1, else 0. We will have to write it just like this and click OK. And you can see we have got a final fraud flag where we aggregated all this high credit utilization ratio, many delayed payments, many loans, high EMI burden, and low credit score. And aggregating all this, we made a final fraud flag that indicates, based on all this, that is there a possible fraud or not. Okay. Now let's now we have done our work here, and our next step will be to go to home, click here close, and click close and load. Now we will load our dataset from Power Query Editor to the Excel board. Yes, you can see our dataset has come in the Excel file, in the Excel window, and we have got all the new made columns also in the data. The next thing is, this is our dataset. We will rename the dataset as Paisabazaar. Paisabazaar. Enter. In home. Wait a second. Let's see. Not in home. UL table design. Yeah. In table design, here also we will change the name Paisabazaar. Paisabazaar. Our dataset will be named as Paisabazaar. It has been named as Paisabazaar. Okay. Now we will go in sheet 1. That means the next sheet. And we will give the name to the sheet as, where is the name? Okay, just name it here as KPIs. In this page, we will make the important KPIs. Okay. Write important KPIs. Important KPIs. So the first KPI is total customer. Total customer. Customers. Here, here write KPI. Here write formula. Value. First KPI is total customers. Total customers we will write equal to count A. After that, our data set name is Paisabazaar. Paisabazaar. After that, we will open a bracket and we will take customer ID column. Customer ID. So not enter. We will write customer. Customer ID. We will click it here. Double click. And we will close the bracket. Close this bracket and click enter. And you can see we have got the value directly, total customers. The next is high risk customers. High count of high risk customers. Risk customers. Okay. High risk customers. In this we will click equal to count if, open the bracket, Paisabazaar dataset. In this column we will take where is the fraud flag. Final fraud flag. Click it. Don't click enter. Fraud flag. Close the bracket, comma 1. Give the value of fraud flag is 1. If it is 1, then it is a fraud and click OK. And we have got 54,558 customers that are in high risk out of 100,000. Okay. What is the fraud rate? Fraud rate is equal to total customers divided by, oh sorry, not total customers, total high risk customers divided by total customers. Click enter. What happened here? enter. What is the problem here? Okay, we can take this value divided by this value and click enter, and you can see we have got the fraud rate. Now average annual income equal to average of Paisabazaar annual income column, and double click the pointer and click enter. This is our annual income, average annual income. Next is average outstanding debt is equal to average of Paisabazaar outstanding debt. Double click, close it and enter. This is the average outstanding debt. Average credit utilization. Average credit utilization is equal to average of Paisabazaar where is the credit utilization ratio. Double click it, close the bracket, close this bracket and enter, and we have got the average credit utilization ratio. Okay, we have got all the KPIs. After this, annual income, give it this rupees. Outstanding debt also same, home, rupees. Fraud rate also home, percentage. We will take two decimal places. Okay, so with this we are done with this KPIs calculation. Now we will make a dashboard page. Dashboard. In this page we will design our dashboard. Again, take a new page. Okay, dashboard, we can start with the dashboarding. Shift, select these pages, home, merge and center. Now write it in this Paisabazaar banking fraud analysis dashboard. Select it, make changes. Blue, increase the size. Okay, this is done. Now we will select this much of the dashboard. Where do we give the borders? Let's see, because I also have forgotten insert border. Remove the grid lines. Insert. Yeah, all borders. Not all borders. Right border, left border, top border. Okay, let it be like this. Just color it. We can take this color. Okay, this is our place where we will make our dashboard. We have given the heading and we will make the charts here. Now let's create the pivot tables and charts. So the first pivot chart that we will make is fraud by occupation. Go in insert, first deselect it. Go in insert, select pivot from table range. After that, select the dataset. We have named it Paisabazaar and click OK. Wait, let delete it. We will again make it. Go in next sheet. This time select somewhere here. Now go and insert pivot table Paisabazar Paisabazaar and click OK. Now our pivot table is somewhere at the side. Now this pivot table, formulas, data, review, name it fraud by occupation. By occupation. Enter. And here also fraud by occupation. Enter. Now in this we will take in rows, we will take occupation. You can see occupations, we have all the variables here, that means columns here. We will take occupation, we will just click it and drag it in rows. Okay, you can see in the row labels we have got the occupations, and in the column we will take, sorry, in the values we will take fraud flag. We will take the count of fraud flag. Where is the fraud flag? Final fraud flag. In value, we will not take the sum of it. We will go, you click here in the arrow. After that, value field setting and go to count and click OK. Count of flag. Okay, and again we will drag in the filters, we will drag fraud flag. So you can see you have got a filter over here, fraud flag, and it is written all. Now click OK and select only one and click OK. Now you can see the fraud flag has changed from all to one. Only where the fraud flag is one, that means where it is indicating fraud. You must have remembered one, we gave one for the potential frauds and zero for non-potential fraud. That means that are not in the fraud section. So we are taking the fraud count only on the basis of occupations. So you can see accountant has 3744 fraud indicators. That is the most I can see. No, there are more. Lawyers are 3848. That means more fraud. Scientists also represent fraud flag as 3783. That is very high. Teachers 3662, very high. Here engineers also 3764, very high. In entrepreneurs also 3785, very high. Okay, likewise we have got our first fraud flag. Now creating the second, again go to second page, click somewhere here, go insert pivot table, again from Paisabazaar, and click OK. Now this time we will take age group versus fraud. That means we will calculate fraud based on age group. We will take age in the rows, age in the rows, and in the values we will take fraud flag count. Fraud flag count of it. Again go select it, go to value field setting and select count over here and OK. So you can see we have got fraud flag here. In the filters we will take one. That means age group. In this age group how many fraud flags are being indicated. Okay, this is our second pivot table. The third will be again insert. First select cell over here, somewhere here, pivot table, Paisabazaar, click OK. Now we will do, we will take the name as credit score distribution and click enter. In the credit score distribution we will take in rows, we will take credit score, take credit score in rows, and fraud flag count in values. No, sorry, customer ID in values, customer ID in values, and not the sum of the customer ID. We'll go to value field setting and we will take count of customers. Okay, so based on credit score, good, stand, poor and standard, we have count of customers 17,828 in good, 28,998 in poor, and 53,174 in standard, and total as we know we have 100,000. That means 1 lakh. Okay, moving to the next one, credit utilization category. Utilization category. Again select somewhere here, After that, go insert pivot table, table from ranges, Paisa, Paisabazaar, click OK. And in the credit utilization category, we will take utilization category. Where is the utilization category? Credit utilization category in rows, and the customer ID in values. Count of it, not the sum. Again, change value field settings, count of the customer IDs. Okay, so we have two categories, low and medium, and customer number of customers is count of customer is 36,362 in low and 63,638 in medium. There is no in high. Okay, there is no credit utilization, very high credit utilization. Again, next we will take delay versus credit score versus credit score. Enter. Again, insert pivot table from table, Paisabazaar, click OK. Credit score in the rows, credit score in rows, and delay from due date, average of it. Where is delay from due date, average of it in values? Delay from date is not the sum. Go to value field settings, take average of it. And we have got the credit score good, standard and poor, and average delay from due date, that is 10 days, 29 days, and 19 days. Grand total is 21 days. That average, not grand total, average. Okay. Okay. Here we will go in the first one, first pivot table, fraud by occupation. We will make a chart here. Okay. Insert. We will insert a chart. And what chart we will insert? A bar chart. Not a 3D. Yes, we will take this chart. We will place it somewhere here. And you can see count of final fraud flags. We will take one here. Okay. And we have got, you can see all the occupations are here and the number of fraud cases are here occupation wise. Okay, what additional changes we can do? Total. Yes, we can represent it like this. This will be better. Okay, more settings. Color bar we can change. Not this. Change to maybe this color. Okay, next goes to age. age group versus fraud. Mm, credit score distribution. Yeah, in this we can use a pie chart. Yes, we will use a pie chart here. Yes, we will bring it here. We will change it. This is okay. Style. This is percentage. You can give percentage also. Yes, we can show it as a percentage. We can show it like this. Okay. We can delete this. And this is what we have got. Utilization category also we can insert a pie chart here. Okay. Color. We can take this or this. We can take this. We will delete this total. Style. We will take it as a percentage. Yes, we can represent it like this. And this is done. Delay versus credit score. Insert. Okay. We will take a column chart for this. We will change the color. We will use this color. What is this total for? Delete it. We will add data labels. We will remove the legend. Trend line. No, we don't want a trend line. Legend we don't. Error bars we don't want. Data tables we don't want. Chart title we don't want. Axis we don't want. Okay, this is done. This is done. For this, for age group versus fraud, we will use a column chart. Age group. Okay. Yes, we can use a column chart. We will change it. Style. We can style it like this also, like this also, this also, like this also. I think this look good. This looks good. Color we will take this color. Okay. We will remove the legend. Data labels we can give, but it is not looking good. Axis title not required. Error bars, legend, trend line also not required. Okay. This is okay. Now fraud by occupation has been done. This looks much better. This is also done. This is also done. The next one is also done. This is also done. Delay versus credit score has been done. Credit utilization category has been done. Credit score distribution has been done. Age group versus fraud has been done. Fraud by occupation has been done. What more? Hmm. Let's start placing them in our dashboard. Copy, paste, reduce the size. Here you can see the data levels are breaking, so we will change the style where we don't have the data levels. We will remove the data labels. We will remove the legend over here. We will delete this, and now it's okay. So this is our fun chart that we have made. Fraud by occupation. Next is age group versus fraud. Copy, paste. We will reduce the size. We have to reduce it more. Somewhat more. Yes. Delete it. Next is credit score distribution. Copy, paste. Just reduce the size. Okay. Home. Home. Margin sample. Yes, we will make it more big. Now place it here. place it here, place it here. Next is credit utilization. Copy, paste it here. Make it small. Find a place, place it. And this is also done. Credit utilization is done. Delay versus credit score. Copy, paste. Reduce the size. Yes, this is also done. Our dashboard is already looking very nice, but we will insert some more charts and slicers, and KPI is also very important. Very important. Insert, go in shapes, take a rectangle shape. Take this shape. Control C, Control V. Paste it here. 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 Control C, Control V. Placed it here. Take more space. Increase the length. 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 Okay, this looks good. Now what we will do is edit text. We will insert the KPIs. The first KPI was total customer. Sorry. Copy. Control V. Okay. Is equal to not equal to. Wait, just edit text. What are the KPIs? High risk customers. Okay. Again, select it, place it in the middle. Select this. Again, go to edit text. The next KPI is fraud rate. Rate in percentage. Again, select it in the middle. Select, right click, edit text. Again, the next KPI is average annual income. Average annual income. Select it in the middle. Right click, edit text. Average outstanding debt. Select it in the middle. Next is average credit utilization. Right click, edit text. Average credit utilization. Select it in the middle. These are the KPIs. We will put the values here. Okay. So we have created these charts. We want to create one more chart, that is debt versus income. We will create a scatter plot for that. So for that, we will go in the Paisabazaar section, our data set. In the data set, we want to plot an annual income versus outstanding debt scatter plot. So first we will select the annual income column. Then we will click control and hold it. After that, we will holding the control button, we will go here and we will select outstanding debt column. I am still holding the control. Now I will leave the control and go to insert. In insert, I will go in charts and scatter plot, and the scatter plot is plotted. The scatter plot that you wanted is plotted. Now just cut it from here and go in a new tab and paste it here. The scatter plot is pasted here. Now make changes. We will change the color. Yes, we will change the color. Style also, let's see. We can change the style to this. We will delete this. We don't want anything else, legends or anything. We will add access title, chart title, outstanding depth. We will change this to depth versus income, and this is done. We will just copy it, go to the dashboard and paste it in the dashboard. Again, we will reduce the size of this. We will put it here, increase the length, decrease the width, and we are done. Now we will give title to every. Ah, okay, we are done till here. Now let's begin with the KPIs and the slicers. So for KPIs, we will go to insert. We will take a text box. We will make a text box here. In this text box, there is this formula bar. For this text box, you will click equal to, and after that you will go in the KPIs and click the first KPI, total customers. Okay, and click enter, and you will see you will get this here. You have to just place it here. You can reduce the size also, place it nicely in approximately in the middle. Right click on it. You can change the style. Let the style be this, and with this you have got the total customers KPI. Now again go to insert, go to text, go to text box. Again, sorry, insert, go to text box, make a text box. After that, in this text box, again go to equal to, and go in the KPIs, click KPIs and high risk customers, click here and click enter, and you will get high risk customers also here. Okay, just increase the size so that all the numbers are visible. Now paste it here, reduce the size accordingly. Now right click style and take this style. Okay, we have got the total risk customers also. Again go to insert, text box, slide, make a text box, write equal to, then go in the KPI section and click on this and click enter. You will get this percentage box also. Now just drag here inside the box. You can reduce the size also, place it nicely, and we have got this box also. Now again go to insert, text box, slide it. You will get a box. In the formula bar, write equal to, then go in the KPIs, total annual income, average annual income, click enter. Increase the box because we cannot see it here. Now it's visible. Just reduce the size and paste it. Place it here. You can reduce the size, and with this one more KPI is done. Again go to insert, text box, slide it, make a text box, go in the equal to, go in the KPIs, average outstanding depth, click and click enter, and increase the size, reduce the width and paste it here, and we have got one more KPI. Right click, style, give it the same style as others. Again go in insert, text box, slide it, go in the equal to, in the KPIs box, take average credit utilization and click enter. Now increase the size of the box and paste it. Reduce the width and we are done with the KPIs. Now we have to make slicers. For slicers in Excel, you need a pivot table. So we have many pivot tables. We will just use this pivot table. Okay, just click anywhere on the pivot table. After that, you will get a pivot table analyze. Click on pivot table analyze. After that, go to insert slicers. Okay, and now the slicers we want to make. We want to make occupation slicer. We want to make final fraud flag slicer, credit utilization category, credit score. Hmm, what more slicers we can take? Let's see. Just wait. Hmm, yes, we can take payment behaviors also. We will just click OK, and you can see we have got all the slicers. Now for every slicer, we will first segregate it. After that, we will make connections. Just right click on this, go to report connections. In the report connections, just on all, that means connect this with all others pivot tables and click OK. Same with others also. Report connection, click all and click OK. This is also done. Next, go to this report connections, connect all, click OK. Right click, report connections, click all and click OK. This same for this also, report connections, click all and click OK. So we have done with the slicers. Now reducing the size, just cut it from here, paste it in the dashboard. Our first slicer has come here. We will just place it properly. Okay, again cut it, dashboard, just paste it here. We will reduce the size of this also. Just reduce the size, reduce the width. Same for this. Okay, again go here, cut this. We have three more slicers. Credit score, cut it, paste it, reduce the size, place it properly. Go to the next, credit utilization, cut it, dashboard, paste it, reduce the size from here also. We are done. One more, fraud flag, just cut it, dashboard, paste it, reduce the size from beneath also. And we are done. Now if we want, for accountants, we can see our chart has changed. If we want for architect, we can see our chart has changed. If we want for high spent, we can see our chart has changed. If we want for high spent, low credit score, our again click it to unselect it. Just unselect all, and with this we can multi select also. So we are just clicking all the multi select on. Again right click, report connections. Let's see, yes, all the connections are reported. And with this we have done our dashboard. I hope you understood how we make KPIs, how we make charts in MS Excel, and how we make dashboards, interactive dashboards. So you can see this is an interactive dashboard. With this we are done with the Paisabazaar banking fraud analysis dashboard. We are coming with more dashboards, data analysis and dashboard projects in MS Excel also. We are doing this same series. We have done Paisabazaar in Python, data analysis in Python. We have done Paisabazaar data analysis in Power BI, and now we are doing in Excel also. We have done in Excel also. Same like this, all like this only we will do with the Amazon also. We Amazon Prime data set that we did in Power BI and Python, we will do it in Excel also. After that, the FedEx data set we have used, we have done in Python and we have done in Power BI, we will do it in Excel also. And next, the World Bank education analysis also in Excel. So stay tuned for more videos like this. And with this we end our this video. Hope to meet you in our next video. Thank you so much.